Go. Okay, next time, Tina Kaling facing the creek. Facing the creek, Joe. Turn around.
Oh, facing the creek.
There's a lot of trees. That would be confusing. Okay, same thing facing the other direction. Faster, let's go. You guys hustle down to the table. When you're not on the tables, run down. Next one, you're going to be hopping it. Getting a squat and hop. All the way. Hustle down there, Eric.